In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove grid lines in Google Sheets. Let's jump straight into it. First, go to your Google Drive in your web browser. If you're already signed into your Google account, you should land right on your Drive homepage. This is where your Sheets files are stored along with your other Google documents. Next, open the spreadsheet you want to work on. You can do that by double-clicking an existing Google Sheets file in Drive. If you don't have one ready, create a new blank spreadsheet by clicking the New button and choosing Google Sheets. Either option works, because the grid line setting is changed from inside the sheet itself. Once your spreadsheet is open, look up at the top menu bar and click View. This menu controls how the sheet looks on your screen, so it's exactly where you go for things like zoom, freeze options, and visual toggles. After you click View, move down to Show. When you hover over Show, you'll see a small side menu appear with different display options. In that side menu, find Grid Lines and uncheck it. The moment you uncheck Grid Lines, the faint gray lines that outline all the cells will disappear, and your sheet will look cleaner and more like a blank canvas. A quick tip as you do this, removing grid lines doesn't delete any data, and it doesn't change your cell borders if you've added any. It only hides the default grid lines that Google Sheets displays. That means if you've drawn borders around certain cells to format a table, those borders will still show, which is helpful if you want a polished layout without the full grid. Also, keep in mind, this is a viewing setting for that spreadsheet. If you want a minimalist look for screenshots or presentations, hiding grid lines is perfect. And if you ever want them back later, just return to View, then Show, and click Grid Lines again to re-enable them. That's it. Your grid lines are now removed, and your sheet should look cleaner and easier to present. Congratulations!